This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, latest Minecraft mobile build and a Microsoft account signed in. Once done, enable the preview or beta toggle in the app settings or through your store listing. This unlocks preview features. Make sure your device has stable Wi-Fi and some storage free. Create a quick backup or a disposable test world to try features without harming your main game. This reduces risk and speeds troubleshooting when you start using preview content. Now you move into enabling and configuring the preview content. After installing the preview build, restart the app so changes take effect. Open a test world, go to World Settings, then toggle experimental gameplay or specific preview options you want to test. Configure controls and resource packs if required. Also make small performance tweaks, reduce render distance, or disable high-end graphics, so the new features run smoothly on mobile. This balance helps you see new content clearly without frequent crashes. Finish by thoroughly testing the preview features in your test world, interacting with new blocks, mobs, and UI changes. When you find bugs, capture screenshots and note exact steps that reproduce the issue. That makes reports useful. Submit feedback via the in-game report tool or the Microsoft/Xbox feedback channel so developers can fix problems. If the preview causes instability, restore your backup and avoid opening your main world in preview until patches arrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.